Alright. See if I can find it. Get that out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
I'm in front of it. Oh.
I'll always show up,
Yep.
make a statement. I don't ever slow up,
Oh, big cleaning.
I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
Big clean is on.
I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective.
What about the barrow butt?
Against people who patented being negative.
Feel him pulling drag.
I got facts over tracks, this and that.
Oh, come on.
Spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. Now that I've been
Look at that.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Bloody hell, that was a net job.
Oh wait, just pulled this big dog. I seen him travelling, I threw the lure right in front of his face and yeah, he's absolutely smoked it. My arm's like killing me.